everyone, it's Carolyn and welcome back to Contemporary Mama and day 3 of Clean Week. I hope you've been enjoying it so far. Today I'm going to be sharing my cleaning bucket list with you. I'm not sure if I invented this term, but I did this on Clean Week last year and I absolutely loved checking off these items from my to-do list. So if you're not familiar, a cleaning bucket list are those things around the house that you always want to get done, but you just never have time because things like dishes and laundry always seem to take priority. But not today. Today I'm going to be tackling all of those items on my to-do list and taking you along with me. Hopefully it gives you the motivation to get those items checked off your to-do list as well. Okay, so I'm getting started in my kids' bathroom. We've lived in this house for 18 months and I've actually never cleaned the jets of this bathtub, and I'm willing to bet that a lot of you haven't either. So I found this product on Brianna's Kay's channel. It's called the Oh Yuck Jetted Bathtub Cleaner. So I'm gonna fill up the tub and use this to clean the jets. I'm a little bit scared to see what comes out. So I filled my tub up with the hot water covering the jets. And now I need to pour in half a cup of this Oh Yuck into the tub. Sure, let me just do this. Okay, so that's in. And now we run the jets on for 15 minutes, drain the tub, and wipe it clean. So let's see what comes out. So we just turned off the jets, and I don't know if you can tell, but there are so many dirty particles floating in here. It's hard to see because of all the bubbles, but there's a lot that came out. So now I need to drain all this and wipe the tub clean, and we'll have a nice sparkling clean bathroom tub.
Can I help you wipe the clean?
Sure, that'd be great.
Okay.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground.
Next up, I'm tackling my laundry area. It's in my basement, so nobody sees it, so it does not get a lot of love at all. It actually doesn't get any love. So I'm gonna get started by using this. This is the Fresh Washer Cleaner. I believe that there's tabs in here. Yeah, there's 3 tablets. You stick it in the drum of your washer and run it on a hot cycle, and it cleans your washer for you. So I've noticed that our clothes are coming out a little bit with like a weird smell, so I'm hoping that this is gonna help with that. And then I really need to kind of like clean and organize this whole area. A lot of these are empty, so I just need to take them up to be recycled and kind of wipe everything down because there's a ton of dust.
You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause
Oh my god, it's so dusty. This is so gross. Oh, I'm embarrassed to show this.
Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret.
Once I was able to get all that dust and lint cleaned up and the whole laundry area was clean, I was able to put my products back and I got rid of all of those empty bottles that I had. I also have this little basket from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just using my label maker to label that. This is going to be where I'm going to store my dryer balls. I'm also going to throw in a few bottles of essential oils because you can put a few drops on your dryer balls and it'll just help to leave a nice scent in your laundry.
The things that we'll do, 'cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night.
The last thing I really wanted to do was make sure that the lint trap area was super clean, so I removed the lint trap and I'm scrubbing it with warm soapy water. This is a must-have item to do if you use dryer sheets because that can cause a lot of buildup on your lint trap. And then I'm just going to go ahead and clean that out as best as I can. I'm using my vacuum to get as much lint out as I can, and then I'm also going to use this dryer cleaning stick, which I'll link below.
This summer night, this summer night. Someday we will look back, and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Oh yeah, this summer night, this summer night, oh this summer night.
All right, so that was a lot of work, but I feel so much better about doing my laundry down here. Just doesn't make sense to try and clean your clothes when you're cleaning them in a dirty area. So my washing machine is sparkling clean. Even this little gasket area is nice and clean, and I wiped that out. And I always leave the door open after laundry so that mold doesn't develop in there. My dryer, I am so happy I got rid of all that built up lint in here and cleaned that lint trap because I definitely don't want any fires happening. My washer and dryer are all wiped down. All that lint and dust is gone, and I cleared off that shelf, and I even got this little basket that you saw for me to keep my dryer balls and some essential oils that I can drop on the dryer balls so that I can make sure that dryer sheets are completely phased out in my house. All right, on to the next project. Next on my list is my toaster oven, and I actually want to get one of those toaster oven air fryer combos, so I need to sell this, or I will be selling it soon. And as you can see, maybe you can't see, it needs some serious work. This looks so bad. So I'm actually going to try using my oven cleaner. I don't see why it wouldn't work. So let's just reread the directions. Preheat the oven to 200, turn it off, spray in there, wear gloves, wait, and then wipe away. Okay, let's do it.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care.
While the Easy Off is sitting in the toaster oven, I'm going to get started scrubbing the toaster oven racks, and this took me a really long time, a ton of elbow grease, but I definitely suggest using a Brillo pad. I think it does make it a lot easier to get all that stuck on residue off of these. It probably took me 15 minutes total, so I really tried to condense these clips. Now, this part was absolutely disgusting how much grime was coming out of the toaster oven. I definitely need to be more diligent about keeping up with cleaning this. So I have totally destroyed one of these magic erasers, and then I really had to get in there with my grout brush to really scrub it off, but I'm so pleased with how it came out in the end. It was totally worth all the effort.
Anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do.
The last item on my bucket list is to give my trash can a really good cleaning. And even though I wipe down the outside regularly, scrubbing out the inside is just not something that happens very often. So since today was a warm, sunny day, I thought it would be pretty easy to just take it outside, clean it out with the hose, rinse it out, and then let it dry in the sun. So that's exactly what I did.
Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are.
Alright, so that's going to be the end of this video. I hope that you got some motivation to tackle those items on your cleaning to-do list, those ones that you never seem to find the time to get done. So don't forget to tune in tomorrow for Clean Week Day 4. I have a super special video. It's probably the one I'm most excited about. You're not going to want to miss it, so I'll see you tomorrow at 8. Bye!
Just keep on doing what you do, doing